The Chevrolet 490 luxury vehicle presents an eloquent expression of craftsmanship and elegance that defines early 20th century automotive design. At the front, the vehicle boasts a pronounced chrome grille that captures attention with its polished finish. The grille is flanked by artfully designed headlights, which are both functional and stylistic, illuminating the road ahead while enhancing the vehicle's luxurious allure. The hood, gently sloping towards the windshield, showcases sleek contours that contribute to the aerodynamic profile, a nod to the vehicle's performance-oriented nature. Moving to the left side of the Chevrolet 490, the vehicle exemplifies symmetry and balance. The wheel wells house robust, elegantly styled wheels that complement the overall aesthetic. The door features a smooth surface with a perfectly crafted handle, allowing for easy access to the interior. A subtle character line runs along the side, guiding the eye towards the rear and adding a touch of sophistication. The side windows are generously sized, providing ample visibility and a feeling of openness within the cabin, while also allowing natural light to pour in. On the right side, the design mirrors that of the left, reflecting Chevrolet's commitment to uniformity and precision. The curves and angles are meticulously crafted, with the side profile showcasing a harmonious blend of style and function. The stylish side view mirror enhances visibility while adhering to the vehicle's elegant design language. Each element, from the chrome accents to the carefully designed door seals, speaks to the attention to detail that Chevrolet invested in the 490. Stepping inside, the interior of the Chevrolet 490 unfolds a world of luxury and comfort. The moment one enters the vehicle, they are embraced by high-quality leather upholstery that wraps around the seats, exuding a rich aroma and tactile warmth. The front seats, designed for maximum comfort, are ergonomically shaped, providing ample support for long drives. The dashboard, crafted from polished wood, showcases an array of vintage gauges and controls, each meticulously placed for easy accessibility. The steering wheel, adorned with chrome accents, feels solid and comfortable in the driver's hands, inviting a confident grip. Throughout the interior, small pockets and compartments are strategically placed to enhance convenience without compromising style. The rear seating area mirrors the front in terms of luxury, offering spaciousness and comfort for passengers. Rich fabrics and thoughtful stitching details can be found throughout the cabin, reflecting an era where craftsmanship took precedence over mass production. The ambiance is complemented by carefully designed lighting that softens in intensity, creating a welcoming atmosphere that feels intimate yet expansive. As we transition to the back design of the Chevrolet 490, the rear end maintains a sophisticated and refined look. The taillights are elegantly rounded, providing visibility to vehicles following behind while enhancing the overall aesthetic. The trunk is spacious and accessible, featuring a smooth opening mechanism that showcases the practicality of the vehicle. The rear bumper is subtly integrated into the design, offering a seamless finish that does not detract from the vehicle's elegant lines. When the doors of the Chevrolet 490 open, they reveal a thoughtfully designed entryway that invites passengers to experience its luxurious interior. The door hinges operate smoothly, allowing for a wide opening that facilitates easy access. The inner panels of the doors are adorned with plush materials and are equipped with neatly placed armrests, enhancing comfort upon entry and exit. The design also considers the ease of getting in and out, particularly for rear passengers, showcasing thoughtful engineering that reflects an understanding of user experience. Every detail of the Chevrolet 490 luxury vehicle contributes to an overall impression of quality and sophistication. From its striking exterior to its sumptuous interior, it stands as a testament to the elegance of its time, a vehicle that was not merely a mode of transportation but a symbol of